always gonna be a bad guy with a black-toothed grin and a notched-up gun. You can bet there's gonna be a problem if you call the law when they're late showing up. When we can't see the cover through the dust on our Bible, what's next? Who's gonna ride in and save the day? Who's gonna throw that big John Wayne right hook when it looks like everything's gone to hell? Tell me who. What we need is more walk than talk in the windshield, not the rearview like some long lost song. 'Cause this world's in trouble when the cowboy's gone. Yeah, there's always gonna be a fast horse, saddle cinched up tight and ready to go. There's always gonna be a stiff drink waiting in a town on down the road. When the dust cloud settles, can you tell me who's gonna stand up? Who's gonna ride in and save the day? Who's gonna throw that big John Wayne right hook when it looks like everything's gone to hell? Tell me who. What we need is more walk than talk in the windshield, not the rearview like some long lost song. 'Cause this world's in trouble when the cowboy's gone. But all hope is lost, and right's just another word. Who's gonna ride in and save the day? Who's gonna throw that big John Wayne right hook when it looks like everything's gone to hell? Tell me who. What we need is more walk than talk in the windshield, not the rearview like some long lost song. 'Cause this world's in trouble when the cowboy's gone. When the cowboy's gone. When the cowboy's gone.